The most important stimulant in tea leaves is answer caffeine. What is the average adult pulse rate? Answer 72 to 80. अच्छा. The sun appears red at sunrise and sunset while it appears white at noon because answer because of scattering of light due to dust particle and air molecule. Most of the ozone in the atmosphere is concentrated in dash answer stratosphere. The cow's milk contain how much amount of water in term of percentage? Answer 80%. TV transmission cannot cover a very large area because the shape of the earth is spherical. The greenhouse effect is caused by an excess of answer carbon dioxide. The rarer wave mirror of motor vehicle is dash answer convex. A satellite moving around the earth with a uniform speed has dash answer uniform acceleration. For being able to see three-dimensional picture, we have to use dash answer stethoscope. Question: the theory of expanding universe was first propounded by dash answer Hubble. Question: an instrument to detect the purity of milk is dash answer lactometer. Who proposed this concept? All motion is relative. Answer Albert Einstein. Question: the field of specialization of famous Muslim scientist Abu Usman Al-Jahiz was dash answer zoology. Next question: albatross is dash answer a seabird. Question: the sunlight can reach a depth of dash meter in the ocean. Answer 100 meters. Question: the biggest planet in our solar system is dash answer Jupiter. Next question है the biggest species of the cat family is dash answer tiger. Next question: which group of animal has introgametic female? Question: the atmosphere of moon consists of dash answer 60% nitrogen and 40% inert gases. And the chemical name of quartz is answer silicon dioxide. The month of calendar year can lack of new moon answer February. Deuterium different from hydrogen in having answer same atomic number and different atomic weight. A question: वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वाटर सलूबल विटामिन. यहाँ पे नान किया है तो वाटर सलूबल में आपको पता है दो विटामिन्स होते हैं और वो है विटामिन बी एंड सी. ठीक है, ये बोथ क्या है वाटर सलूबल है. बाकी ए डी के ई ठीक है ये क्या है ये है फैट सलूबल विटामिन्स. ठीक है. Ultraviolet light falls in the category of dash answer ionizing radiation. Question: the Earth's dash is divided into 15 major plates of various size. Answer lithosphere. One of the scientists formulated basic laws of geometry. Answer Pythagoras. Next question here. Phosphorus is an essential component of one of the following biological molecules. Answer nucleic acid. Next question. He was the first scientist to prove that planets move around the sun. Answer Galileo Galilei. Question. Geiger-Müller counter is used to detect a proton. Question. Vacuum tube have been replaced by dash. Answer transistor. Next question. It is secondary plant nutrient. Answer sulfur. Next question. The area of microbiological that is concerned with the occurrence of disease in human population. Answer epidemiology. The number of electron of neutral atomic atom is automatically known if one known the atomic number. Next question here. Which of the following is not an enzyme? Answer secretin. Serum if blood plasma minus its. Answer clothing protein. Question. The autonomic nerve system innervates all of these except skeletal muscle. Next question. The damage to dash nerves could result in the defect of eye movement. Answer abducens. Next question. Which of these is not a region of the spinal cord? Answer pelvic. Next question. The shape of the external air is due to dash. Answer elastic cartilage. Question. When a patient's immune system becomes reactive to drug, this is an example of allergy. Question. What is the smallest unit of heredity? Answer gene. Question. The approximate intensity level of the sound which can causes damage to the eardrum. Answer 100 dB. Question. Fuse wire is made of dash. Answer 63% tin and 37% lead. Question. Which one of the following is the main culprit in the thinning of ozone layer in the Earth's stratosphere? Answer nitrogen oxide. The sky appear blue because the Earth atmosphere dash. Answer reflect blue light. People living in a high altitude like mountains usually have dash. Answer larger number of red blood cells.